Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us consider next example. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Let us solve. Solution. The numbers involved in this case are in AP. Here first term is rupees 200 for the first day, therefore first term is 200. Common difference D. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day, therefore plus 50. We have to see the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. Therefore N is 30 days. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S30 is equal to 30 by 2. 2 first term is 200 plus n is 30. 30 minus 1 common difference is 50. 15 15. 400. 200 into 2 400. 30 minus 1 29 into 50. Here 29 into 50. 1450 plus 400. 1850. 15 into 1850. 290581. 27,750. Next example. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. Here the numbers. Solution. Here the numbers are in AP, in which sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. So S7 is equal to 700. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, therefore D is 20. Rupees 20 less than minus 20. Here N is 7. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S7 is equal to 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 d minus 20. S7 is 700. 7 by 2, 2a plus 6 into minus 20. Here 7 by 2, 2a minus 120. Here take 700 into 2 by 7 is equal to 2a minus 120. 7 ones are, that is 200 plus 120 is equal to 2a, or 2a is equal to 320, that is a is equal to 320 by 2, 160. 160, therefore first term is 160, therefore prices are rupees 160, next price rupees 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, last one 40. 7 prices are rupees 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and rupees 40. Let us read next question. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, a section of class first will plant 1 tree, a section of class second will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Let us solve this. Given that each class has 3 sections. Each class has 3 sections. Therefore, total number of plants planted by class first is 3 into 1. 3 sections, number of plants is 1, therefore 3. Similarly, total number of plants planted by class second, 3 sections, number of plants 2, therefore 6. Total number of plants planted by class third, 3 sections and number of plants 3, 9. Same and so on. Total number of plants planted by class 12 is 3 into 12. 12 threes are 36. Here 3, 6, 9. Here 3, list of number 3, 6, 9 up to 36. In this AP, first term is 3, common difference is second term minus first term 3, n is 12, last term or an is 36. Using the formula, we know first term and last term, therefore sum of first n positive integers Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term, 12 by 2 first term 3, last term 36, 6 are 39, 6 into 39 234. Therefore total number of plants planted by the students is 234. Let us move to the next example. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with center A of radii 0.5 cm, 1.0 cm, 1.5 cm, 2.0 cm as shown. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Solution: given radius of first semicircle is 0.5 cm. Radius of first semicircle is 0.5 cm. Therefore, the circumference of first semicircle is, circumference of circle is 2 pi r, circumference of semicircle is L1 is equal to half 2 pi r. Here r radius we know 0.5 cm. Radius of first semicircle is 0.5 cm. Therefore 0.5 pi. Therefore 0.5 pi centimeter. Similarly, the radius of second semicircle is 1 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of second semicircle is L2 half 2 pi r. Radius is 1 centimeter. Therefore 1 pi centimeter. Similarly, radius of third semicircle is 1.5 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of third semicircle is L3 half 2 pi r. R is 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. In this AP, first term is 0.5 pi, common difference also 0.5 pi, n is 13 consecutive semicircles, therefore 13. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S13 is equal to 13 by 2, 2 into a 0.5 pi plus 13 minus 1, d is 0.5 pi. 13 by 2, 2 into 0.5, 5 by 10 into pi plus 12 into 5 by 10 pi. Here 1 pi, 6 pi. 13/2. 13/2 into 7 pi. Pi 22/7. 22/7. 13 into 11. 143 centimeter.